Hey guys, it's Jessica. I just wanted to pop on for a minute and answer a few questions that I've been getting. People wondering about how we got started with Young Living and how to get started themselves. So I'm just going to take a couple quick minutes and walk you through kind of how we got started and tell you just how simple and easy it is to really start transforming your cabinets and create a wellness routine that I think that I was craving and I didn't even know what that was. So in 2014 on Valentine's Day, I ordered a starter kit that is a lot like this one, but now it's a lot fancier and fun packaging. But this is the best way to get started with Young Living. And I'm gonna open it up and show you the goodies in there. But basically, what it was is a way for us to have some answers and have some solutions and better sleep, less stress, things for immune support, tummies, just things that I was looking for as a mom on ways to take care of our kids. And then the whole family now uses them more than I ever thought we would. I knew that lavender smelled nice and that frankincense was in the Bible. I honestly thought that our oils would sit in a box and every now and then we would get them out. But they're totally part of our daily routine and that is the best way to use them. So there are three simple ways to use essential oils, and they are diffusing, which Young Living has several different diffusers that mist the oil into the air so you can get all those great healthy benefits. All of our bedrooms have them, an awesome way to soak in those benefits every night and get the day started off on a good note. So things like lavender for relaxing at night and then starting off the day with stress away, or a happy lemon oil is a great way to get our kids ready before school, because mood and emotions is so important. But that's diffusing. And then next we have applying topically. So just applying to your skin. Right before school we put a couple drops on the bottoms of our feet and put our socks and shoes on. We always do something for immune support, for mood, and for focus or clarity. And then another great way to use them is internally. So Young Living has amazing quality, seed to seal guarantee and promise. And I've been to the farms, I've planted lavender, I've watched the whole distillation process, and I completely trust that for our family. And so I know what's in the bottle is what's in the bottle, and what's on the label, and there's no additives and no extra things that a lot of companies try to cut corners with and say that they're pure but not pure. But I know with Young Living it is, so I'll often add a drop of lemon to my water, lemon vitality to my water, or peppermint is awesome in brownies. So those are the three ways: diffusing, topically, or adding to drinks or to cooking. And then I just want you to know that oils are simple. We don't have to make it so complicated. I started with just opening my box and just getting a couple of them out. So here's the box for you. And it's a great little display, 10 oils on the top. And I will post some graphics about what each of them are for. But oils like Thieves for immune support, lavender for relaxing, awesome for skin. We have frankincense, which is another great one for skin and mood. We have Panaway, which is our must-have after big workout or heavy exercise. Lemon, like I said, adding to our water. Peppermint, adding to baking. It's awesome to take a big smell if you've been in a bumpy car ride. Bunch of other ones that I will share the details with. But that's what's in your kit, and just pick one and start learning about it and ask me more details about it. But starting with the kit is totally the best value and the way to really transform your home. Under here we have, this is amazing, the Thieves Household Cleaner. So this is just a concentrate packet. All you have to do is get a spray bottle, like a big one from Target or the dollar store, and fill it up with water, and then add I just add a capful, but it would be about half of this, and you have your cleaning solution to make your whole house smell amazing and be clean and not have those harsh chemicals. Because one of the reasons we got started was because Luke had respiratory issues when he was little, And we just could not have harsh chemicals in our house anymore. And you know, when you're cleaning with other cleaners, you're gagging and like barely breathe and want to wear a mask, and that just wasn't an option for us anymore, and it's benefited the whole family. And now my kids can help clean and, you know, spray down the toilet, spray down the counters. Oh, mom, but it's all safe stuff for them, and they get to help contribute to the cleaning routine too. Under here, we have a bonus oil of Stress Away. Stress Away is one of my go-to and favorite ones that I first fell in love with. I used to wake up in the middle of the night all the time, and my mind would turn on, and then I would just lay there wishing I would go to sleep. So I keep Stress Away on my nightstand, and I just rub a little bit under my shirt or on my wrists, and then pull up the covers and take some deep breaths, and I'm able to go back to sleep and calm down for the day. It's also awesome as a perfume. And then under here too, we have Ningxia Red, which is a high antioxidant fruit drink. We love to throw these packets in the freezer, and the kids have it as a slush and just chop it up or just cut off the top and have it like a popsicle without a stick. So high vitamin C, just awesome healthy benefits so that we can try to boost up our immune systems to stay well, especially with back to school. So it really is just one box that has all that you need to get started, which I think is amazing because I tried to really like complicate things. I'm an overthinker, overplanner, and Young Living has made it super easy. Start with this one premium starter kit box, and you're able to really start transforming your whole home. We're able to get rid of candles. I had no idea had so many chemicals in them. We don't have them in our house anymore. We use the diffuser, and now I have so many different scents that I can use to change it up. Like Thieves smells like fall to me, and add a drop of lemon or orange and it's amazing. And then I get the healthy benefits of purifying the air and cleansing too, so it's a win-win. So I just wanted to kind of encourage you that oils can be super easy, and if you have questions, I'm here to help you. And there's also awesome books that I love to dive into. Like that's totally my personality of like, oh, what else, what other research can I find out and read about, or what's the science to go behind it. And I'm so happy to share that with you, but also don't overcomplicate it. Get out your lavender, rub it on the bottom of your feet before you go to bed, fill up your diffuser, and just apply some before you head out the door, and you will be amazed at how much your life transforms, because we didn't have these answers before, and now with Young Living and this premium starter kit, I'm able to feel confident about the things that I'm putting on my kids' skin and the things that are in our cabinets. We have ditched and switched so many things, and honestly haven't missed them. Like I used to have buckets and buckets and buckets of different cleaners because I thought I needed something super strong for the carpet, something for the bathtub, something for this, and I don't. I just use the Thieves household cleaner that is a sample packet in there, and it's amazing and it smells so good. So I'm here to walk with you and encourage you, and just shoot me a message as you want to know more. And you can order your premium starter kit at magnifyjoy.com. Just click on the oils link, and I'm happy to help walk you through that. Talk to you soon. Bye.